Today we are talking about who gets the most money from YouTube and TikTok. As of 2022, Mr. Beast earns between $3 and $5 million per month, according to the YouTube analytics. Yes, heard a right, $3 to $5 million. Jimmy Mr. Beast Donaldson, one of the most famous YouTubers in the world, started making videos at the age of 12, with his channel getting 122 million views a year before he turned 19. What are Mr. Beast's main income sources? Mr. Beast was declared by Forbes as the highest-earning YouTuber of 2021. He earned as much as $54 million from various income sources such as advertising and sponsorship contracts, as well as products such as clothing and video games. According to various reports, Mr. Beast invests as much as $300,000 to produce each of his videos, with the highest cost of any video he's ever produced being $3.5 million. I woke up, I studied YouTube, I studied videos, I studied filmmaking, I went to bed and that was my life, Donaldson told Bloomberg in 2020. As we talk about Khaby Lame. Khaby Lame's net worth is $13 million US dollars. Khaby Lame is a TikToker and an Instagram influencer from Senegal. Khaby Lame is known for his highly successful TikTok videos, in which he mocks real-life videos using facial expressions. Through his social media following, Khaby Lame has accumulated millions of dollars in earnings through brand endorsements and advertising. Khaby Lame net worth. Khaby Lame earns $4 million through TikTok each year. Khaby Lame's net worth is $13 million US dollars. His car collection. Khaby Lame has spent his TikTok and Instagram earnings on a number of luxury cars. Khaby Lame has recently bought a brand new imported Volvo XC60 at a price of $190,000 USD. Khaby Lame also owns a Lamborghini Huracan that's worth $2 million USD. Okay, it's complete for today. Subscribe now and see you tomorrow.
Take him from the yard.